Hello, and thanks for joining us. Miele offers an expanded selection of vacuum cleaners, a solution for all of your individual needs and preferences. With the recent introduction of soft carpet, Miele saw the need for a new vacuum cleaner, one specifically engineered for the care of soft carpet, a machine that could effectively and effortlessly clean this very intricate surface. I mean, it feels great. It's like walking on a cloud. But for a vacuum, it's like sinking into quicksand. So our engineers went to work. They designed and developed a complete C3 specifically for soft carpet. The complete C3 soft carpet achieves the perfect balance between superior cleaning and easy operation. Let me show you. Simply adjust the vacuum to the soft carpet setting in combination with the companion soft carpet floor head, which has preset height positions that are ideal for soft carpet. So now we have the optimal suction power and the perfect height position. The guesswork is simply eliminated. With this combination, we can get deep into the base of the carpet, extracting all of the fine dust and debris, which, if left behind, will not only leave your carpets dirty, but wear them out much quicker. And at the same time, the vacuum is gliding over the carpet effortlessly, not sinking in like quicksand. As well as cleaning all of the soft carpet in your home, in true Miele fashion, this model will clean anything and everything. Thanks for watching, and happy vacuuming.